Welcome to the Smart Tribe. My name is Benedicta. Today we are going to take our second lesson in the Abacus. We are going to learn how to do simple addition and subtraction using the tool. In our previous lesson, we learned that in order to start calculation using the tool, we always have to start from the unit rod. This is the unit rod. And on your tool, the ninth rod is where your unit rod is. Okay, so anytime you want to start addition, start from the ninth rod or the rod in the middle. Okay, so that is where you start calculation. So now, let's say we want to add 1 plus 1. How are we going to add 1 plus 1 on the tool? We know that each value on the lower bead is 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Again, we want to add 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, let's try to add 2 plus 2. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is 4. We know that every upper bead is 5. Okay, so now we want to add 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Now we want to add 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, now we want to add 7 plus 2. How do we do 7 plus 2? We pinch in. Okay, you pinch in 7 and then you add 2 with the thumb. Is that okay? Pinch out. We want to do it again. 7 plus 2. So pinch in 7, pinch, and then with the thumb, you add 2. Pinch out. Now we want to do 6 plus 3. So in order to do 6 plus 3, pinch in 6 and then add 3 with the thumb. Okay, can you do this with me? 6 plus 3, you pinch in 6 and then you add 3 with the thumb. Now, we are going to solve some few questions using the abacus. We want to do 7 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so 7 with a pinch in plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so now try these questions on your own. So now we are going to learn subtraction using the abacus. Example, we want to do 6 minus 1. Okay, so you pinch in 6. In order to subtract 1, you subtract with your index finger 1. So your answer is 5. Let's take another example. We want to add 2 and then subtract 1. Okay, plus 2 with the thumb and minus 1 with the index finger. Okay, now let's try some few questions on how to do subtraction and addition using the tool. So our first question is going to be 6 plus 1 minus 1. How are we going to do that on the tool? First, you pinch in 6, okay, plus 1 with the thumb, minus 1 with the index finger. Again, we want to add 6 plus 1 minus 1. You pinch in 6, you add 1 with the thumb, and subtract 1 with the index finger. And then you clear, okay? So let's try some questions on our own. Okay friends, so that is the end of our lesson on addition and subtraction using the tool. Now, for more lessons, join our tribe today and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later, my friends. Bye!